In this video we will be setting the image size to template A1 full spread from the School of Art Catalog 2025 Content Submission Guidelines as our example. Template A1 full spread. The final image size for this example will be 15 inches wide, 8 inches high. In part 1 of this tutorial we set the image to a basic size. In part 2 we will crop the image to the final size. Image sizing method 1. Setting image size and resolution in one step. Under the image menu, scroll down and select image size. Change the width to 15 inches. Change the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. Make sure Resample is checked on and Preserve Details 2.0 is selected. Image sizing. Method 2. Setting image size and image resolution in 2 steps. Step 1. Under the image menu, scroll down and select image size. Uncheck Resample. Change the width to 15 inches. Notice how the resolution changes when the size changes. This method does not change the pixel structure of the file. Click OK to accept the change. Step 2. This step changes the pixel structure of the file. Under the image menu, scroll down and select image size. Make sure Resample is checked on. Change resolution to 300 pixels per inch. Select the Preserve Details 2.0 algorithm. Image cropping. Method 1. Using the crop tool and setting the crop ratio is a precise way to crop an image. In this video we will be setting the image size to template A1 full spread from the School of Art Catalog 2025 Content Submission Guidelines as our example. Template A1 full spread, 15 inches wide, 8 inches high. Select the crop tool from the tools palette. Set the parameter to ratio, set the value of the width to 15. Set the value of the height to 8. Reposition the image to the desired cropping. Click the check mark on the toolbar to accept the cropping. The example image is now set to the template A1 full spread, 15 inches wide, 8 inches high, and is ready for catalog submission. Image cropping. Method 2. Using canvas size to crop an image is accurate but not as customizable as method 1. In this video we will be setting the image size to template A1 full spread from the School of Art Catalog 2025 Content Submission Guidelines as our example. Template A1 full spread, 15 inches wide, 8 inches high. Under the image menu scroll down to canvas size. Make sure the units are set to inches. Enter 8 in the height parameter. Select an anchor point. The anchor point in this example is set to centered. In this example there's no need to enter a value in the width parameter because the width parameter was set with image sizing in part 1 of the video. Click OK to accept the new canvas size. A warning will pop up cautioning changing the canvas size will cause image clipping. Click Proceed to accept the new canvas size. Using canvas size to crop an image is less customizable because the image is cropped using an anchor point position.